guys, welcome back to Epic Kidz. Today we're making storm cloud lights.
Yes, what we need for a storm cloud lantern light, you need to get yourself a paper lantern and an LED strip. We've got this type of an LED strip here. You're going to need some glue, a bowl, a paintbrush of some sort, some yarn, and some fiberfill. So the first thing we're going to do is assemble our LED light. So we're going to take the light strip and it just hooks right inside to our lantern. So we actually have a lantern that came with a battery pack and an LED strip in it. So you can buy one already made, or you can just mount your own LED strip inside the lantern.
Okay guys, do you guys want to see what this thing looks like?
Yeah.
Turn it on.
Ooh, there's the LED strip. And then, so you want to assemble your lantern after you get your strip in, just like Pasca's done. Perfect, perfect. So then this is the side that it's going to hang from the ceiling. So now you're going to put your lantern into a bowl. Once you get it assembled, go ahead and take your glue, and you're going to take your glue and spread some glue onto the lantern. Use your paintbrush to paint it on, and then you're going to take little pieces of your fiberfill and you're going to ball it up and you're going to stick it to the paper lantern. Perfect. Just do like just little sections at a time. There you go. And now take some of your fluff and you're going to stick it on where the glue is. There you go. And take your fluff, and when you do your fluff, roll it in a little ball. Yep, just like that. And roll it in a little ball to get it nice and tight. And then press it on. Oh, yours is right here. You're doing section by section of them? Right. A little bit smaller, Pask. A little bit smaller sections, because otherwise it'll fall off. Because see how you just want it to be like this, where it's kind of thin on there? Whoa! Run away! Run away, Cloud! You want to make it a little bit thinner so that it'll stick on there.
Just hit this.
That's good, yep. And you can take little thin pieces like this too. You just don't want to get too much fluff on there or else it won't stick. Did you deflate your lantern?
I have the power to deflate lanterns now.
Perfect.
That's perfect, Mom?
You want to cover all of it, Ephraim. So that's what the paintbrush is good for, is that you can put your glue on there and then take your paintbrush and spread your glue around like paint.
Now don't mess up. Don't let it escape. You let it just like that.
That's perfect.
Oh no, it's starting to dry.
And then you just work your way all down the lantern. Okay, see that little bit right there? See how it's on the top? It's not going to stick. So that's why you want to make sure that you take little bits and just make sure that it's really close to the lantern, thinner bits.
Thinner bits.
There you go. Yep, just make sure you really press it on there and spread it around. There you go. Just like that. Ah! How are we coming?
Good.
Looking good. Oh, this is coming around. It's looking like a cloud.
It more looks like a gigantic football.
Well, that's what clouds kind of are. They kind of look like giant fluff balls.
So guys, I'm gonna tell you a strategy if you do this. So you know those radio spots, and if you use this brush, it kind of puts the fuzz off. But if you just take that and you don't use the brush on those radio spots, and you just put the fuzz on, it does not take off those. And that's what I did right here.
Oh, a little spot glue.
Right there. Okay, you're here. Yeah. Just like that. And then
don't do what I did.
This.
I see. And we're using clear craft glue. We're coming along. Looking good.
Guys, I have another tip for you.
What's that?
If you place glue just into another small space, you do this. Then. You don't have to do this, you just pop it there just like that. And then put glue in there. Put the fuzz in. And you have yourself a perfect area.
Nice. And once you get so far down, you can flip your lantern over so then you can work
turn on the
off the other side. Yeah.
Okay,
So once you have your clouds all done, look at those clouds. Let's turn yours on for a second so we can see what that looks like. Ooh,
If the camera doesn't even see that well,
That's cool.
it's awesome.
Does look awesome. Thunder clouds. And now we're going to take some yarn and you're just going to wrap it around really tightly. So take the end of the string and you're just going to wrap it around like a big balloon, and this is going to keep your fuzz tied tightly to your lantern while it dries, and then we'll let that dry for a little bit. And once they're wrapped, we are just going to let those sit and let that glue dry probably for about a good hour so that we make sure that that fuzz stays right where we want it. We'll see you in an hour.
Guys, I put a face on mine, and I add beads and raindrops.
So we added some pretty beads on a string and we made some raindrops and put a face on it. So turn her on. Let's see what she looks like.
Okay.
There it is. And there you have it. There is our rain cloud lantern lamps. Where are you going to hang it at?
Where am I hidden? In my room.
In your bedroom. Looks pretty cool. Good job.
All I can see right now is purple. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Yeah, you can comment.
All right. We'll see you next time.
Bye.